The strength of a nation derives from the integrity of the home. Confucius. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of introverted sensing, or SI, a fundamental cognitive function within the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. If you're a fan of MBTI, cognitive functions, and exploring the depths of human nature, you're in the right place. What is an ISTJ's favorite pastime? Filing their tax returns early and enjoying it. Before we journey into the realm of introverted sensing, remember to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribe to support our channel. Your engagement allows us to keep creating more insightful content. Let's dive into the universe of SI. Introverted sensing, or SI, is like having a detailed mental archive of personal experiences. Imagine an SI user as a skilled librarian who meticulously catalogs memories. They excel at recalling specifics, identifying facts, and ensuring the preservation of cherished moments. SI users are known for their strong connection to the past and their reverence for tradition. They find joy in savoring life's sensory experiences, from the taste of a favorite childhood dish to the comforting scent of a beloved old book. SI individuals often gravitate toward hobbies and activities that enable them to relish these sensory memories. Many also find satisfaction in culinary arts, perfecting the timeless family recipes that have been handed down through generations. Additionally, their appreciation for sensory experiences leads them to explore interests in areas like wine tasting, where they can immerse themselves in the world of flavors, fragrances, and textures. Professionally, SI users thrive in roles that demand attention to detail and a deep sense of responsibility. They're the dependable individuals who ensure that nothing is overlooked and traditions are upheld. In fields like healthcare, where precision and memory are crucial, SI users shine. They excel in roles that demand meticulous documentation, such as historians, archivists, curators, and accountants. They also excel in craftsmanship, using their meticulous skills to create works of art, whether in woodworking, gardening, cooking, or other hands-on endeavors. Despite their many strengths, SI users may face challenges. Their strong attachment to past experiences can sometimes hinder their adaptation to new situations. They may struggle with rapid changes and prefer the comfort of the familiar. To overcome these challenges, SI users can practice embracing change and stepping out of their comfort zones. Developing their ability to balance tradition with innovation can lead to personal and professional growth. Now, let's explore the MBTI's ISTJ and ISFJ. For them, introverted sensing isn't just a function, it's the guiding force behind their approach to life. While both types share the same primary function of SI, their secondary functions provide distinct qualities to their personalities. ISTJs combine SI while focusing on practicality and effectivity. They're the pillars of responsibility and reliability, using their meticulous memory and logical thinking to keep systems running smoothly. Think of an organized project manager who ensures that deadlines are met and resources are optimized. Famous ISTJs include George Washington, the revered founding father whose steadfast leadership shaped a nation, and Warren Buffett, the financial maven known for his wise investment strategies. On the other hand, ISFJs use SI while prioritizing harmony and relationships. They're the caregivers and nurturers who cherish tradition while ensuring the well-being of their loved ones. Picture a loving grandmother who creates a warm, inviting home and ensures that family gatherings are memorable and meaningful. Famous ISFJs include the dedicated Mother Teresa, known for her boundless humanitarian efforts, and the venerable Confucius, whose ethical teachings resonate across cultures. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of introverted sensing. If you found this video informative, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Do you resonate with the SI tendencies or connect with the ISTJ or ISFJ personality types? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until our next adventure, keep cherishing the beauty of the past, keep embracing the present, and keep evolving toward the future.